Hello, this is question 7A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. And the question says, the sum of the ages of a man and his daughter is 60 years. 6 years ago, the man's age was thrice that of his daughter. Find their respective age. Now, we are going to represent, this is a word problem, we are going to represent the father by a variable. And that means let X represents the man and let Y represent the daughter. Now, and the first expression says the sum of a man and his daughter's age is 60. That means X plus Y equals 60. So let us call this question 1. And 6 years ago, the man's age was thrice that of his daughter. 6 years ago. So the man's age, that would be X minus 6 equals, he said it is 3 times that of his daughter. That is 3 and Y minus 6. Let us express this as well. X minus 6 equals 3Y minus 18. So let us bring this together such that X minus 3Y equals minus 18 plus 6. So X minus 3Y equals minus 12. So let us call this equation 2. Now let us resolve this by simultaneous equation. So X plus Y equals 60. X minus 3Y equals minus 12. So if we use elimination method using elimination method such that if we subtract, it is X plus Y equals 60 minus X minus 3Y equals minus 12. So this will become X minus X with data so X, so Y minus 3Y, that becomes 4Y. 60 minus minus 12, that becomes 72. So Y equals 72 divided by 4. So Y will now give us 18. So substitute Y into equation 1. So our equation 1 is X plus 18 equals 60. So X equals 60 minus 18, which is 42. So X equals 42, Y equals 18. So the age of the father, the man, is 42, while the daughter is 18 years. So that is the solution to question 7A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. For other solutions within the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. Until I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel and put your comment, your query, your questions within the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you very much and be good.